Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to print double-sided cards when printing with Canva. Alright, let's begin. First, open Canva and sign into your account. Click Create a Design, search for card, and choose a card template that matches the style you want. This ensures your design uses the correct dimensions for printing. Next, customize the front of your card by editing the text, images, colors, and other design elements. Once you're happy with the front, click Duplicate at the top of the editor to create the back side of your card. Now, design the second page with the content you want on the back. Make sure both pages are complete before exporting your project. When you're finished, click Share in the top right corner, then select Download. Choose PDF Print as the file format for the highest print quality. If the option is available, enable the CMYK color profile to improve color accuracy when printing professionally. After downloading the PDF, open it in your preferred PDF viewer and select your printer's double-sided or duplex printing option before printing. So that's basically how you can print double-sided cards when printing with Canva. That's it for this video. Thanks!